Welcome to Mac Moments. My name is Melissa Chavez. I am a founder and CEO. And this podcast is a space for honest conversation. It's about focus, leadership, and what it really looks like to build and grow a business in real time. Each episode is a moment to slow down, think clearly, and move forward with intention. So let's get started. Today's Mac Moment, we're talking about one of the biggest challenges I've had as a business owner. Trying to be everything to everyone. It eventually costs you your clarity, your energy, and your growth. As you grow, when you're building, you are eager to be in absolutely everything and getting your name out there, whether it's networking, email blasts, social media posts, newsletters. All of these things are imperative to grow a business. However, it's not realistic to try to be everywhere and be everything to everyone. One of the things that I knew that I wanted to do when I started my business was to be on a board, not only for the philanthropic purposes of it, but also to network. I started a business by myself, and I knew I needed to be around other people that were in a similar mindset as far as growth and supporting our community. So I joined a board. And it was amazing. It is amazing. I'm still on that board. And I'm amazed at the different personalities, the different insights that I've gained. Being on a board, however, is another job, if you will, that's not paid. And that's fine. I'm doing something for my community. I love it. I was asked then, shortly after, to be on another board. And I said yes, because I believed in the project and what they were supporting. And guess what? That is another job that I've added to my resume. I've since been asked to be on a third board. I had to say no. As we're growing our businesses, it's important to realize, yes, it is flattery. It is exciting. I am seen as a valuable asset to a board, and I love it. But for my business to grow, I have to make sure I allot the time appropriately to not just the boards, but the own aspects of my business. And I've made a decision for myself that I'll be on no more than 2 boards at any given time. In another year, perhaps I might entertain the other boards or join them in other capacities, these different organizations, and I can do that. One of the biggest challenges when you are in business for yourself is burnout. You get exhausted. Then the work on your own product or service gets diluted. It gets neglected. And trying to be everything to everyone, it will completely diminish what you're building. And it's imperative that you focus. Give everything 100% that you can, but also know when to say no. I do believe that there is something said about trying to be everything to everyone. I work with small businesses in town, and when I go to consult with them, they're asking me questions about what I do, and I provide them their answers. But then we get into the nitty-gritty about their business. And I'll ask them, who's your niche market? Who are you targeting? Well, everybody can use my service. Everybody can buy my product. And while that might be true when you're marketing your business, you have to come to a decision about who your niche market is going to be. I'm not saying that everybody can't eventually use your product or service. However, if you have a focus at the beginning, very intentional marketing, you are going to be so much more successful. And it's just another area where you can understand that Trying to be everything to everyone eventually costs you that clarity. Focus is not an exclusion. It's actually protection. Where might trying to be everything to everyone be costing you more than you realize? You do not need to do it all to build something meaningful and with purpose. You just need to do the right things well. Thank you for spending this moment with me. If today's conversation resonated, I invite you to follow Mac Moments on your podcast platform so you do not miss future episodes. Growth does not happen all at once. It happens moment by moment. I appreciate you being here, and I look forward to our next conversation.